Thank you all for coming to our launch event. I'm Ling, the CEO of B-Shark Technology. Today, I have a lot to say. The first keyword I want to share with you is product. In the past few years, I've been working as both an entrepreneur and a professional manager. Never have I felt so right, except for these days, while we focus on the product. Instead of wasting time on cooking up business model, commercial innovation, marketing scheme, or use means to attract investors, we concentrate all of our minds on developing our products. There is only one sentence on our company's culture wall. B-Shark only builds remarkable products. I believe all of our staff are in a really hopeful situation after we focus on the product. But even focus on the product can't lead us to a delightful future straightly. On the contrary, the road is so winding because the product we choose to develop is really a challenge. Here comes the second keyword, H&D. H is for hydrogen fuel, and D is for drone. In fact, the industry of drones has not entered into a really stable stage yet. Even the most matured drone in the market is not stable compared with the automobile industry. Many core technologies are still under developing and upgrading. Well, for hydrogen fuel cell, it is even much trickier. The market of LiPo is developing relatively pleasant compared with the fuel cells. Most fuel cell R&D companies are small workshops. Some of my friends have kindly reminded me not to waste my time on this industry. Stay away from the hydrogen-based business. It's a dilemma. If this industry is promising, someone else would grab the business opportunity. There must be a deadly problem. I must admit, these friends are telling the truth, but we also have planned and considered for other products thoroughly. Our final conclusion is that every product is not easy to develop, don't mention to upgrade it into a remarkable one. Nothing comes easy. Since all products are difficult to develop, why not choose one that we are passionate about? An environment-friendly product. We sincerely believe that hydrogen fuel is an ultimate energy source. This hydrogen energy is from water, and the byproduct is also water. Each resource is recyclable. Hydrogen fuel, or hydrogen, is the most basic resource or element that can be found on Earth, and even in the solar system and the galaxy. If you are looking for energy on Mars, the best option is still hydrogen fuel. That's the root of our passion. We want to do something to make hydrogen as convenient as natural gas. Someone just asked me the meaning of narwhal. Why do you use narwhal to name this product? Let's see a picture. This is a narwhal. Allow me to stress this. Narwhal is not an ancient creature, nor a fictional legend. It's living in our ocean as we are speaking. Narwhal is small, not as big as a white whale, but it has a special unicorn. Besides narwhal, our drone name, we have Black Shark, our company name. Our company is leading by a black shark.
绿色的鲨鱼，领导的公司组成的产品系列也全都是动物。
We also have Orca, a killer of the ocean, but it's our hydrogen fueling station. Later we'll launch Orca 2. One more thing to stress is that all Bee Shark employees are not allowed to eat the shark fins.
追杀人是绝对不吃鱼翅的，也不允许吃鱼翅。
It's our taboo. This eating habit can do nothing good. Actually, the nutrition of shark fins is not better than vermicelli. But Chinese love to explore new taste. Billions of sharks are killed every year because of this exploration. Fins of sharks are cut off and they are thrown back into the ocean, then dying slowly and agonizingly. Any shark protecting organization who are watching our video, please feel free to contact us. Please allow us to sponsor your career. At least we can offer free and long endurance drones to help with your shark protection missions.
高品质的无人机那是绝对没有的。
For spreading humanity. This drone is Narwhal 2, not Narwhal 1. Someone just asked, why is this drone called Narwhal 2, not Narwhal 1? Do you also have Narwhal 1? Yes, we do have Narwhal 1, and it's a pretty good one. I can say it is the best seller and the most stable multi-rotator hydrogen drone in the world.
多旋翼氢燃料无人机。
To be honest, only sold less than 100, but it still ranks at the top of the hydrogen drone industry. About its stability, compares to whole hydrogen drone industry, indeed it is. Let's have a look at the parameters of Narwhal 1. Few competitors can make it. But we still don't think it's good enough to be released, as it doesn't solve some basic problems of hydrogen drones.
因为那位一没有解决新根本性。
What are the basic problems? What kind of new products are we expecting? Let's take a look at our superstar, Narwhal 2. Please have a look at the design and key parameters of Narwhal 2. I will give no more introduction. Let's watch its video.
Two hours of flight time. 30-kilometer video transmission. With IP45 protection rating. This is Narwhal 2. What makes Narwhal 2 so special? Selected 3.5-liter Type 4-cylinder. Built with 800-watt metal-cooled bipolar plate stack fuel cell as a battery. Integrated with Bee Shark's exclusive developed 4G module and long-range video transmission. Flight controller, we've opened the source code of flight control to you. It also uses optical flow position to cope with more complex environments. All these enable Narwhal 2, a BVOL flying performance and conquering the long time mission. More than that, the Narwhal 2 is equipped with Bee Shark's exclusively developed AIO, supporting 5 flying modes. General 2.4 GHz and 5.8 GHz are adopted manually or automatically. Supports dual view to display the collected data. Foldable design. Portable package. Bee Shark cares about your flying demand.
What do you think of Narwhal 2 after watching the video? I was also watching the video just now. From the main parameters of Norwal 2 in the video, it might not be that remarkable. Please allow me to explain the splendid parts of Norwal 2. Why did I say Norwal 1 didn't solve the basic problems of hydrogen drone, but Norwal 2 did? What are the basic problems for this industry? The first one is hydrogen refueling. The second one is data communication. The third one is the cost. When you're using a lithium battery drone, if the power is running out, you can charge the battery directly. While you are using a hydrogen drone equipped with a 3.5-liter cylinder, or a cylinder of any size, where to refuel the cylinder. Some users thought they could buy the large tank of hydrogen from the hydrogen suppliers easily. Then buy a small compressor to refuel the hydrogen into the smaller cylinder. The truth is, the whole process doesn't go well. If we didn't solve the refueling problem, no matter how perfect the drone is, it's still hard to be commercialized. This is the biggest bottleneck of the industry. The second problem is the data communication. What is the difference between a hydrogen cell and a lithium battery? I believe the lithium battery has reached its utmost, even only enduring about 30 minutes in the air, while powered hydrogen drones can fly 2 or 3 hours. With our continuous research and development, we will extend the flight time into 5 hours, 8 hours, and even 10 hours. Even the flight time is greatly enlarged. You can only fly in a limited range if the data communication and image transmission remains the same. The basic problem is not solved. You can only fly in a circle of 1 or 2 kilometers, even if your drone can fly 10 hours. How could that help too much for practical applications? Why not just buy a Phantom with 20 batteries? That is the second big issue. As long as the data communication problem remains, drones can never fly further. The third problem is more tricky than a technical innovation. Drone price has been reduced, finally. But 3 years ago, the agriculture drone was sold 10 times than current. Same thing also happened in the aerial photography drone of 10 years back. The aerial photography drone market is expanding after the price is reduced, but the market of hydrogen drones is still depressing. The industry has been at a low ebb for a long time. No large orders have come yet. Each component must be sold at an exaggeratedly high price to make up for the quality loss. The Narwhal 1 is $28,000. It's not really expensive in the industry, but it's definitely expensive to me. If I was a customer, I would think this price is insane. But even with the high price, we don't make any profits because the cost of the whole industry supply chain is really too high. Therefore, the price issue is much bigger an issue than the previous 2 technical problems. So not only do we have to ensure Norwal 2 as a hydrogen drone can fly stably, but we also have to address the 3 bottlenecks of the industry. Let's look at our efforts and our accomplishments. For auxiliary equipment, we have another team dedicated to the development of the all-in-one hydrogen refuel station in order to make sure that clients have the best experience to be able to refuel the drone easily. Let's take a look at this specification. Basically, we have secured the power consumption of hydrogen generation is lower than charging the lithium battery, and it's very efficient. We've already sold 2 sets, and now the customer is using them. This is the product we launched in early 2018. Because the goal of developing an all-in-one hydrogen refuel station is to make it as convenient and cheap as the water dispenser.
饮水机一样，一样的方便，一样的便宜。
We are not only talking the talk. The current price is $180,000 per set. We also think the price is ridiculous, but we did the best that we could.
但是现在已经是我们尽其所能了。
Before we launched this product, most of the hydrogen refuel stations are made for the factory or some labs. But the hydrogen compressing is still a big problem.
加压也没有人来完成。
But this is just the first step. Even now, the size is big and the price is very high.
有一个20尺货柜这么大，
Right now, the Orca 2 is under development. I believe she will give you a big surprise in the next couple of months on product design and price.
相信在几个月内，我们一定会给大家一个惊喜，不光是在系统上，而且还在价格上。
Let us look at the second part. I am proud of our team when I mentioned the data communication.
我们要感恩我们的团队，
Because of them, a group of full, experienced, passionate, talented engineers, we moved away from the DIY phase.
今天还不是，所以我们迅速的就脱离了 DIY 的阶段。我们现在拥有
We can
了
independently develop core technologies, such as airframe design, flight control
我
system,
们自己的这个飞控，我们自己的
integrated controller,
一体控，
video transmitter. What is most important? We broke through the LTE transmission technology.
传输的问题。
It would be valueless if the hydrogen drone can't take the long-distance mission.
就没有多大的价值。
So we worked out a solution which integrated the usual radio frequency communication system and LTE module to transfer the data. What is more, the LTE module is military standard.
军方的标准，
The short latency and video quality of our video transmitter is way beyond others. More importantly, we find the way to cut down the cost.
通的这个产品可以达到。最重要的，我们还把成本降下来，把这一块的所谓的天价采购给它彻底消除。
Let's go to the last part.
我们花了很多的时间，
It is impossible we develop everything by ourselves. We must have partners and suppliers. So we tested thousands of products from different suppliers.
要向上游采购，
We worked pretty hard.
我们实在是费了太大的力气。
But we are very clear that it is hard to cut down the cost because it is just the very beginning stage in the hydrogen fuel industry.
价就下不来。
Many laboratories and companies are facing the same problem, that one order's profit is equal to half a year's income.
半年不开张吃饭。
In such a market environment, everyone is conservative and cautious.
我们知道这一点，
So when we reached out to our partners, we place orders starting from 100 units.
100台的订单，真金白银的订单去谈。
For all this, most of the suppliers won't reduce the price.
非常简单。
Not just hydrogen fuel cells, but gas cylinders, valves. We face big barriers across the industry.
阀门等等这方面都遇到了，这个整个行业的这种保守啊，这种封闭。
We have kept trying over and over again.
就是屡败屡战，屡败屡战屡败，屡败屡战。
Finally, we met the right partner who shared the same dream with B-Shark.
找到了我们的有缘人。我们在材料反应堆方面找到了和我们梦想一样的合作伙伴。
When I told them that we must cut down the cost of the end products, they got the real reason in a second. I don't need to talk too much. Only in this way we can get big orders. The industry can boom up.
客户真正收到一个高的性价比，我们才能起量。
Luckily, we had the right suppliers in every section.
否则的话，这个行业没有前途。我们在这个其他的几个模块上面都遇到了这样的合作伙伴。
Finally, we cut down the cost step by step. It is a real breakdown price.
一点的拉下来，这个动作还不够明显，叫断崖式的给它拉下来。
Take a guess how much we sell such a set of hydrogen fuel cell drone.
这样一套氢燃料无人机，应该卖多少钱？
Including a 3.5-liter Type 4 cylinder, a valve, a hydrogen fuel cell, and a pretty stable aircraft with 2 sweet case.
氢燃料反应堆它包含了这个很稳定、很漂亮的机身，还包含了我们2个suitcase。
Who remembers the price of the first generation hydrogen fuel cell drone?
氢燃料无人机和氢燃料这些板块应该卖多少？
Well, let's see the final price.
我的价格
$6,800 US. Think about it. For just $6,800, you can get a set of hydrogen fuel cell drone, which can fly 2 hours and cover 30-kilometer video transmission in an inspection mission.
能够覆盖30公里。
Think again what kind of drone you can get for just $6,800 for oil pipeline inspection, border surveillance, mapping. No need to change the batteries. Cover 30 kilometers real-time video transmission.
才6800美金。
Is it really ready for sale?
到底做出来没？
Please watch the test video on our website. We have built an online store where you can find all the product information and the customer's comments. You can place your order online.
经销商身上有所有的这个产品资料，还有评论，你们觉得好就买，直接下单。我们也
No need to send inquiries. We make it easy so that we can have more time to upgrade the product.
我们可以留出更多的时间开发产品。
Everyone can get all the information easily, including the price.
包括明码标价。
What we are building are powerful industrial drones, not consumer electronics. We will keep polishing it.
我们是做工业级无人机的，我们是做行业级的，不是做那种电子消费。我们要回归理性啊，非常理性的、客观的说，要做好任何一个产品，都需要很长时间的打磨。
Every product needs to keep upgrading.
实现了，但是我相信，要让它真正的打磨得非常好，还是需要时间。我们在使用过程中肯定也不可避免的会出现一些瑕疵。
For that, we would like to invite all our users to work with us in optimizing the product, and we would like to offer 2 returns.
邀请所有的我们的用户，和我们一起来优化我们的产品，并且为此提供2个福利。
First return. If you purchase our drones within 1 week, we'll send you another hydrogen fuel cell for free.
买了我们产品，我们这个都会再赠送他一套氢燃料反应堆800万。
Of course, it comes with a catch, but a very small one. Just send us a full product review and suggestion sheet. The sheet can be downloaded from our website.
也不会很繁琐。
It will not be very complicated, just to make sure the comments we receive are not simple words like good or rubbish.
我来换
Second return. When we adopt your suggestions into our Norwal 3 drone, you will be invited to our Norwal 3 launch event. We will take all the cost.
某一条建议。那么，在我们纳威3发布的时候，我们将邀请这位
Because you are working with our team to shape our products, and more importantly, you will get a Norwal 3 for free.
并且更加重要的，我们将赠送纳威3一套。
We have set a groundbreaking price.
大家一看呢就说得很清楚，只要是懂行的，我们是在冒险。
Everyone who is in on this industry should know very well we are taking a risk. We would lose money if the order quantities are low.
卖个几十台，那一定可以。
We believe it will be sold a lot and serve more people if it's cost effective.
我们相信它能够服务到更多人，出量。所以呢，这个
We expect that our users can have a full experience of our products rather than far look.
希望我们的客户对我们这个产品呢，能够充分的来体验，而不是观望。
Every suggestion from you may lead us to the overall technical breakthrough of Norwal 2.
我们这个纳威2整体的这个突破，是不是能够非常的。
We are very grateful to our partners.
我们要非常感恩合作伙伴。
Why we can focus on the product development. One, for that our pre-A round financing went very smooth.
我们的投资，我们的 A 轮融资非常的顺利。
It took only 8 minutes for Plum Angel Venture to go through our BP and make their decisions.
聊我们的 BP 的时候，可能总共不超过8分钟。
They were very straightforward. The only word they said was, "Sorry to interrupted, but can you tell us how much do you need us to invest?" After that, I said, "That's the deal then. Let me get the team to follow through." Only 8 minutes. So I really appreciate that Plum Angel Venture share the same dreams with us and are able to accept our business ideas.
接受我们的合作。
Our other investor, Shandong Antai, not only provide us with a large amount of capital, but also provide us with offices, manufacturer floors, and some other supports.
工厂，还提供一些其他的政策。所以这个
And because of these sufficient funds, we can devote ourselves to develop our products. We have another partner whose name I'm not able to disclose here.
合作伙伴呢，这个名字我就不方便跟这里提了。
Because we have a mutual understanding of each other and the same expectation of the industry,
能够心有灵犀，能够对行业的判断一致，
then we can work closely together.
大家都相信。
In this small portion of the drone industry, B-Shark is not trying to act as a leader, but rather an advocator, to gather all the resources and work together with our partners. So, what are we waiting for? We should work together to reshape this industry and invent technologies.
颠覆那些应该被颠覆的公司、技术模式。
So, I am honored to share the same dream with our partners.
有愿景，一样有梦想。
Partners that come from different fields: hydrogen technology, fuel cell stacks, gas cylinders, UAVs. And we are always open to all partners with the same dreams. And we work closely together with honor.
有共同梦想、愿景的合作伙伴形成合作。
Thirdly, we must thank our team.
要感
If we only have a dream of hydrogen products but no R&D team,
有一个产品的梦想，却没有研发人员。
if we only have the R&D team but not motivated by the market, our whole team would never be in such an efficient cycle. We must thank our clients and the marketing team at the same time.
我们的客户在我还有我
Our clients ordered our products while they were still under developing, which is a complete trust towards us and a genuine faith in the entire industry.
我是尽到
Before this launch event, orders were received and already beyond our production capacity. The market demands are pretty clear. We also receive high expectations from customers. That's the key to our confidence in developing Norwal 2. Let's talk about our R&D team. Thanks to them, such an enthusiastic, competent, and talented group of engineers, our Norwal 2 is so remarkable.
有能力、有天赋的艺术工程师，我们才可以往这边一步步迈进。
I'd like to add, if you watched our video, you know about drones or hydrogen and want to do some changes.
确实在无人机或者枪料方面有经验有热情，我们也可以，我们非常欢迎
We welcome you to talk to us and join our career. We have a platform built for genius engineers.
现在就是为真正的天才工程师所预备的。
At last, I must emphasize that B-Shark is an international and open community.
为啥是一家非常国际化的公司，非常开放的公司？
When we find a way to cut down the cost, we'd like to give some return to the industry.
成本降下来，
No matter where you're from, Europe, Japan, or US.
所以无论您是这个欧洲的，还是日本的，还是美国的，
Whether you're working with hydrogen bike or hydrogen gas cylinder, we're looking forward to talking with you and building a partnership with you.
然后积极的合作，
We'd like to share our experience and resources with you.
经验和资源分享出去。
As long as we share the same goal for promoting hydrogen drone and other hydrogen products to bring convenience to our daily life.
无人机乃至氢燃料小产品的这个应用以及推广到千家万户。
We want to unite all the power together and achieve this goal.
联合起来，实现这个目标。
That's all for today.
今天的发布会呢，就到这里啊。
Here's our website
网站在这里，
and our email. Please feel free to contact us.
都可以有联系我们。
Thank you all.